welcome to another video. Today is a very special one because we had a bet and we lost.
We will be a tech tubers.
Yeah.
But unfortunately, I lost. Then that's why we're becoming makeup tutorials.
Yeah, we're doing a makeup tutorial. So I'm gonna use my favorite products on him. So if you're interested in that, please keep on watching. Again, this is Roslyn.
This is Holland.
And together we are rolling. So Dad, are you ready?
What else can I do? Okay,
So,
let's get it on.
Yeah, so first, you have to make your face very, very clean before putting makeup on. So, Daddy, did you wash your face? when was the last time you washed your face?
January. No.
Okay, first you have to wash your face if it is very clean now. Primer is Dabura from Dabura. It is Face Perfect Primer. This is what I use every day. No occasion I use this primer because it's not that expensive and I really like the smell. So we have to squeeze like 2 pumps to make sure that everything is alright. So the thing that I love about this primer is it minimizes my pores because first in choosing primer you have to know what is your problem in your face. Like some problems are like they're very oily, and then some primers are focused on that, and this primer is focused on minimizing my pores. So I really love this primer, and I really love the smell. It smells like lotion. Smell it. Do you like it? So I'm gonna put it on him.
So
How do you
put
feel?
it that way.
Yeah, you have to massage it. Foundation. First, what are the criteria in choosing your foundation? First, you have to know what is your skin type. My skin type is I'm very oily. I have a lot of acne marks. I have a lot of acne marks. And then third, what else do you notice on my face?
Very beautiful.
No, I have a lot of acne marks, so I need a foundation that could cover it up, and I don't have to retouch from time to time. Wow. So what I really use for everyday is L'Oreal Paris Infallible 24 Hours Matte. This is my true love. No. In foundation, because for everyday. I mean, I'm also using Estee Lauder double wear. This is what I use during if there is some occasion, and MAC. But then for everyday use, I just use L'Oreal. Usually I squeeze it like 2 pumps.
Okay.
Yeah. There.
I need to close my eyes.
You don't need to close your eyes. Close your eyes. See, the coverage is so nice. That is kinda tan, so we don't have the same skin color. That is why it's a bit white for him. You have to blend it like it's your own skin color. Close your eyes. Don't react in everything that I say. So here, face here. So we have to work out the neck. No, because I think the color is so different. Okay, let's face it. Let's face the fact. Oh my god, the color is so different from your skin color. A lot of his scars or like pimple marks are covered, so go near the bee. Daddy! So the key here is blending. If you blend it properly, then even if it is so different from your skin color, then it will be so nice. Okay. See, if you can see his face, pimple marks are covered. What's this one?
Scars.
The scars are covered, and then The good thing about this one is good for oily skin. If you're very oily, and then it mattifies your skin. So what I use is this kind of brush. I just bought it in Kurama because I think this is hygienic. I have a lot of brushes, by the way, but then I use this for every day because I think it is very clean because it has its own cover and it's big. It's like a kabuki brush and it works for me, so why not?
Okay.
So I just do it like this and then I'll put it here. Wow. It adds a little coverage but not that much. Daddy, stop it! So you have to make sure that it is even. How do you see all the D?
Beautiful.
So you have to put also here in the neck. So it might not look good in him because he is a guy and his skin color is so different, but it works for me. If you can see my photos, this is what I'm using every day.
Okay.
So see, the foundation is very nice on him. This is my favorite brow liner. This is Rimmel. I always touch my face, so I make sure the liner that I use will not rub off. So this is my favorite one. I think I've been using it for 5 years already since I moved here to Dubai. No, no, no. I mean, I'm always repurchasing it. Like it will stay for, I think, 2 months, 2 months or 1 month. Thunder! Do you like it? Most of my friends ask me for tips in putting the brows. The tip that I always give to them is you have to blend here in the inner corner. So you have to blend you have to blend it here so that it will look more natural. Daddy, are you feeling it? See, if you are seeing this, move. If you're seeing this, the brows looks so natural, like wow. So natural. I'm using Naked 2 and then this other Naked, this is Naked Black, I don't know, I'll put in the description down below, and the Warm Nudes. This is my favorite. This is from Eileen. Shout out to Madam Eileen. How are you? Daddy, are you feeling okay now? What? I'm not used of putting this one before, but then when I tried one time, it really makes a difference. So if you really want to practice, buy a palette that is like a little expensive, so you are forced to use it. So you'll be hinayang not to use it. Right, Daddy?
Yes, ma'am.
Close it naturally. Don't close like you're forced to close your eyes.
Blend it and then I put it here. I know! Don't move.
Oh. Oh.
Okay.
Oh. Oh my god.
Don't go up.
Oh,
It's
no.
very hard for me to put.
Oh.
No,
Oh no, it tickles another.
no, it will not hurt.
Ah.
Oh my god.
It tickles.
Okay. See, it just looks so natural. Ay, sige, open eye. Mabati. Mabati na.
Hindi ko kita mo sa button.
Okay, he can show it to you. Go near.
Ma'am, kakita na sila eh.
So,
Klaro lang.
close your eyes. So the wing liner is so nice. It can really make a difference to your eyes. See here, it's nothing. here it looks like so okay, let's continue. So if you can see, the eyeliner really makes a difference. Because I keep on makeup. And I just put it like this. No. and then I just have to blend it. When I use this, it really blends well. So you just have to blend it nicely. And I use Bourjois. I really like this blusher because it's very small, and when you open it, it has its own brush. Like if I forgot my brush, like I just want to retouch, it has its own brush, a little brush, and a mirror. So it's very compact. I can bring it like for retouch in my small bag, and I already have a blusher.
Okay.
I just have to lock it up. Look it up.
Yeah, maybe it will escape.
Okay, for contouring, I am using the NYX contour palette. It's so nice.
What? So I'll wear makeup every day?
No, like if you're a girl. And then for my lashes, I put this Bourjois.
You're not finished.
No, for my lashes, I have to put this Bourjois because he doesn't want to put lashes, and the lashes will make your eyes pop. Get me straight.
Why are you doing this?
Because you love me. Daddy has a very long lashes. I wish I have this.
Maluna.
Look up. Look up.
This feels like torture.
Look straight. I used to put this. This is a highlighter from Bourjois. The last one, the most important one, is lipstick. So if you can see, the look is so nice. It looks natural, but it brings out his inner beauty. So that's my favorite products. I hope you enjoyed our
Yeah, because I didn't.
Nice. Can you show them the babe? No. No, you have to show them. Go like, see, it's so nice.
Sinayin mo, ha?
So, nah.
Selling love.
So,
My love.
Nah, he is now more beautiful than me. See?
Yeah, see?
Wow.
So if you enjoy, I didn't. So please hit that subscribe button, that bell icon, and please like also, man. Just for me, please like
Thank
this
you
video.
very much. I really enjoyed it, Adi. Thank you very much for doing it for me. See you next video. Mwah.